Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. So, the last time I was streaming, which was a couple of minutes ago, I restarted my computer and now everything's back online. Great. So, let's go ahead and keep going where we left off. All right. So, just want to make sure everything's working the way it's supposed to. The levels look good. Hopefully, there's no mishap with the audio. It looks like everything's working. So, great. Let's just keep going. All right, guys. So, okay, so what's next? Next, lock the assets into the Chronicle folders. Then build the announcement bar, header and hero together because they visually overlap in the mockup, right? So basically, if we look at let's open the image, the mockup image, which is in my KP Dev files, and I'm gonna go to Don Divas and open up the home page, and they overlap. That's basically what he's saying, right? So let's read it. Then build the announcement bar, the header, and hero together. So the announcement bar is up here. Announcement bar is this one right here. Then this is the header. And then this is the hero. So they overlap. What does that mean? That it's stacked together. Yeah. Basically, the hero page is the main container here, I guess. So if we look at the let's open up our VS Code. Okay. Yep. So let's look at our index HTML. This is our body. This is the header. Now the header, now, yeah, yeah. So the header in here, we have the announcement, right? The header, which we're in already, and the hero. So if we look for the hero, no, the hero's not created yet. So yeah, we're gonna create it in our main page. Okay, so let's keep it moving. We have the concept of more or less understanding, and as we keep practicing and repeating, practice makes perfect. Repetition equals experience. All right, so that's our ammo. You know, confidence. You know, you got to build confidence. So let's keep going. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and save the current assets, right? Use these exact file names. So if we look at our file structure, right? Let's just go ahead and close some of this stuff. I know there's a fast way to close everything. Um, let's go ahead and Google it like that. We can. Yeah, let me use this guy. Hopefully, this is not why it's crashing. So, what is the shortcut? The shortcut key for closing the Explorer tree in VS Code. Let's see what he tells me. In VS Code, the shortcut to toggle the visibility of the primary sidebar, which closes or opens the Explorer tree, is Windows Control B. Okay, great. Useful related shortcuts. Focus back on the Explorer. Control Shift E. Okay. Collapse all folders inside the Explorer. While the Explorer has focus, you can press the left arrow key to collapse a folder. Yeah. All right, so it's Control B. All right, let's say we click here. Oh, look at that. That was easy. Control B. Oh, right, but it didn't collapse it, so that was the whole purpose. me see if it's Control Shift E. Control Shift E. Control Shift E. Control Shift E. Huh. Okay, focuses, that's all. Collapse all folders. Well, Explorer, you can press the left arrow, so yeah. Oh, okay, that's cool. So the left arrow closes each individual, and I guess the right arrow opens for the other folders. Okay, so yeah, I guess we could do something like that. Okay, that's good. So let's do this. Let's look at the file structure. So we're gonna go into assets, and it's in source assets, and we have the images folder. And in the images folder, we have branding, hero, and about, and gallery, and then call to action. Okay. So branding, see call to action, gallery, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did he change the names? Yes, he did. Oh lordy. Control copy. How many times? Content. I don't think I'm gonna focus on any of this stuff. This is just becoming a little like a nuisance, right? So I'm gonna right click here and close everything else, close others. All right. So let's keep looking, making sure that everything's the way it's supposed to be. And again, branding, hero. Okay, let's look at hero. Great. So this is good. The image folder is good. The icon, let's look at the icons. Again, press the left click, close all this stuff here, icons. And we're gonna go to professions. And in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So more is there. Let's minimize this so we can look at it in a better view. Uh-oh. Yep, it crashed. My oh. That's not good. It's hitting the fan, it's hitting my the fan is hitting my microphone. So that's definitely no good. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to restart this again. The fan is hitting my microphone, so it's gonna sound choppy. And every time I move my window inside the second monitor, that's when it crashes.